Now let's talk about what Aristotle referred to as deliberative argument. I'm still taking information from Edward Inch and Barbara Warnick in their book, Critical Thinking and Communication. What Aristotle referred to as deliberative argument, Inch and Warnick referred to as policy claims or propositions of policy. We're trying to make a decision, and you are presenting an argument that your decision is the best decision. Now, one form of deliberative argument occurs in the problem-solution format. Your argumentative claim in the problem-solution format is what Edward Inch and Barbara Warnick call your proposition of policy. Quote, policy claims call for a specific course of action and focus on whether a change in policy or behavior should take place. End quote. Here are a couple examples of policy claims. Number one, IVC should allow alcohol on campus. Number two, California should legalize prostitution. Or number three, yours truly, James Patterson, should be the next president of the United States. Now, each of these claims aims to make a change in the current status. Currently, IVC does not allow alcohol on campus. Currently, prostitution is illegal in California, and as we all know, someone else is going to be the next president of the United States. Okay, Inch and Warnick, quote, policy arguments concern action to be taken in the future, and they are based on empirical facts as well as on trends and projections, end quote. In their chapter on arguing about policies, Inch and Warnick describe 4 stock issues that need to be included and addressed in your argument. Those 4 are ill, blame, cure, and cost benefits. Now, the ill in policy debate is where you need to describe the problem that you propose to fix or the condition you propose to improve. In a policy debate about population control, the ill would note that the current population on the planet is now over 7.3 billion people. The United States is the 3rd most populated nation behind China and India. The blame portion of the debate would explain how the 7.3 billion people on the planet are placing life on the planet at risk. The presenter of the policy argument will describe how the rapidly growing population is rapidly using up valuable resources such as clean water and energy. The presenter will note that we are losing valuable species to extinction through changes in climate and weather patterns. The cure is where the presenter explains how to fix the problem. This is the most important and therefore the largest section of a policy argument. The cure is where you, the presenter, detail the plan of action. The plan of action needs to provide sufficient detail so that the reader is able to understand and judge whether your plan of action will actually work. If your plan lacks detail, then the reader's left wondering how your cure is going to solve the problem. The final section of a policy debate involves a discussion of the costs and benefits of your plan of action. What will it take to enact your plan of action? How will your cure benefit society? This is where you present your call to action, and this is where you assure your reader that the problem is solvable and that your plan of action will solve the problem. Ill, blame, cure, and cost benefits. Thank you.